Hello, Obophiles! Sometimes I forget to introduce the video that way. So, Ferling Etude number 19 is the lyrical one in G minor, but it has some qualities of a march, and walking tempo is the marked tempo. Andante. So, just make sure that we're always moving in this etude is kind of the trick. There's really only one idea, but it kind of has a variation that I wanted to talk about. And that is the slow trill. And the other idea is still a taking time idea, and that is the large interval. So there are two concepts in here that allow you to play it a little bit more musically. The first one, and it's the same thing, it's just taking a little bit more time when there's more space in between the notes. The first one is right in the first phrase when we're going to forte and then immediately into piano. So we can show this by playing the trill at the end slowly for the piano section and broadening the forte part and then maybe moving a little bit more through the piano part. So I'm going to start in, we'll start at the beginning. No, let's start halfway through the phrase. So maybe... By broadening more, you can create the illusion that you're playing louder, because frankly this reed is closing up on me and I can't play very loud at all. And then by moving we can create the illusion that, it's kind of going into the distance. I don't know why that works. Orally it's kind of an illusion, but it does. And the other thing is just the trill, just manipulating the speed of the trill to have the sense of movement. The other cool thing in this etude are the staccatos. You're in a slow movement, but you're playing staccato. It's definitely not that kind of staccato, where it's very detached and up. Sometimes I get it. No, it's the opposite. Well, I won't say the opposite. It's still got to be separated, but we just do it with our air and not with the front of the tongue. So, the end is a good spot for that. Or another good spot is in, let's see. Well, at the beginning, I hate to use the same example, but that's where it is. We're looking at bar 5. And of course you breathe before the F because the F is a pickup into the D. So just make sure your note groupings make sense. Okay, so if you made it this far in the video, you are probably a fan. So I want to make sure that you know about my recital coming up in a couple weeks. December 4th, I think is the date, but I could have it wrong. If I do, I'll put some letters on the screen because it's been a really long day and I don't remember right now. But other than that, we made it to 2,000 subscribers and I want to celebrate by giving away some reads and lessons. So yeah, those things. Recital, we're supporting KIND, which is a group that helps unaccompanied minors at the border get healthcare services and education while they wait to be reunited with their parents. Also, legal advice and representation because their kids, they usually don't speak English and they have to go through the legal system, which oftentimes is just deporting them with extreme prejudice. So help me support their mission, which I think is a good one, by coming to this awesome virtual recital. Link is in the description. It's going to be a YouTube premiere, so no need to even get out of your house. You can wear PJs. It's going to be super fun. And the other thing is free stuff. So make sure you follow the link in the description to fill out the Google form for that, and just make sure you comment on one of the videos. If you've done both those things, you're eligible for some free reads and or lesson. So I'd love to see you guys there. Thanks a lot. Oh, and of course, when in doubt, play beautifully.